guys, today we're gonna do the garage. Oh, you see that little bending, the metal thing? That's just my garage kind of broken, so we fixed it. So if you have this at home, if your garage is broken, you can use this to fix it. Okay, first we're gonna close the garage. Wait. You're gonna see that thing. You can see the click. So it's closing. Yup. So this camera right here. If you touch it, it would turn the green. The green would turn off if you touch it. So my garage, it's gonna be broken. I think my garage, it's breaking. My garage is breaking. I don't know why it's breaking. Yep, it's breaking for no reason. So I'm gonna be fixing that. Well, look at that chamber. Well, that works. If you come on, you're just gonna see that little pipe thing. Okay, I need to be waiting. I just fixed the garage, so let's go back to our permission. Oh my God, why is there a broken garage again? Oh, one more thing. There's the pole thing, the red thing. Oh, let's go back to our position. Wait, guys. Let me do something. I just have to cover the camera for like a sec. Okay guys, we're back, so we're gonna open the garage. Get ready, go back to our permission. Okay. Just in the permission. So, huge button. Go to the garage. Let me go to my door. Welcome to Earth. Is the door open? Okay, it is open. Okay, guys, we're gonna close the garage now. This is fun. Okay, go back to our permission again. We're gonna close it. Okay, wait, let me go. Okay, let's go back to our permission. Let's close the garage now. Close. Why is it not working? Sorry guys, just our garage can't work. Let's try this again. Okay. Hold the chamber. Now let's go outside. Okay guys, here's the keypad. Sorry guys, the keypad's been broken. Wait, let me cover my camera again. Okay guys, okay guys. Now we're gonna close our permission. You ready? Let's just go back to one. Okay, you ready guys? Okay guys. Okay guys, this is it for the video. Please follow me. And that's it guys. See you.